kids! We're back with more colors and animal friends!
Let's discover even more sounds and shapes. Are you ready? Let's go!
The turquoise parrotfish goes glub, glub, glub. Glub, glub, glub. Turquoise. The lime gecko goes lime. The peach hamster goes nibble, nibble, nibble. Nibble, nibble, nibble. Peach. The silver fox goes sniff, sniff, sniff. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Silver. Turquoise, lime, peach, silver. Hey, color time, let's have some fun. Turquoise, lime, peach, silver. Join the sound, everyone. The cream cat goes meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Cream. The beige camel goes beige. The tan meerkat goes eek, eek, eek. Eek, eek, eek. Tan. The coral crab goes click, click, click. Click, click, click. Coral. Cream, beige, tan, coral. Hey, color time, let's have some fun. Cream, beige, tan, coral. Join the sound, everyone. The sky blue macaw goes squawk, squawk, squawk. Squawk, squawk, squawk. Sky blue. The lavender moth goes flutter, flutter, flutter. Flutter, flutter, flutter. Lavender. The mint hummingbird goes hum, hum, hum. Hum, hum, hum. Mint. The rainbow unicorn goes neigh, sparkle, neigh. Neigh, sparkle, neigh.